Hey friends, we are boarding right now, so I'll see you in Denver in 2 hours.
Less than 2 hours.
Okay, less than 2 hours. Hi everyone, welcome to Denver. Just landed right now, so we're going to go ahead pick up our luggage. I'll go ahead and go to baggage claim. I'll see ya. I'm here picking up my rental car now. Let's see, we're in a budget rental car. They pick us up from the airport about 5 minutes to come here. And let's see, we're looking for our car. We need a 4x4 because we're going on a mountain tomorrow, Breckenridge, Colorado. Stanley Market Hall is in the middle of residential area. It's pretty neat. It's like a warehouse inside and a lot of restaurants to choose. Okay, I'm gonna go head inside now. My husband's probably looking for me. We are here in Stanley Market Place. We're so hungry, so we decided to go ahead, drive around, and this is a huge, like a warehouse place. It's pretty neat. So I'm gonna walk around and grab something to eat. Maria Pinada. This is great for all empanadas. I'll take one chicken. Mukha kong masarap, so I'll get one more to go for the roll. Hello. Yeah, one chicken. Okay, this is another Japanese restaurant. This is pretty neat the way they did it. It's got separated. Wow, that looks good. But I'm still gonna walk around. Decided to go at Logan House. I have a pastry right now with pistachio and berries inside, and I order just a single burrito, eggs, beans, and rice. Denver and Biscuit is just so much for wait. It's like 45 minutes. We are so hungry right now, so this is it. I'm just still waiting for my burrito. You can have it now. I am in a beer hall right now. It's kind of like pretty neat. You pick up your beer and pay it, and you can go ahead and sit down outside, like an outdoor seating. And it's a pretty nice weather right now. Hi everyone, I'm here in a Confluence Park. Located at almost Denver downtown. It's another things to do in Denver. You can do a scooter here, bicycle, or just hang out. And they have some hot dog area that you can go ahead and buy one. And ito is sa mga park dito sa Denver. They call it Confluence Park. You can do scooting, bicycling, and we have the brewery tramway power company just right up there in that building, the red brick building. It's about 70 degrees, mga kaibigan, and this is like the most popular for local and I guess for tourists also. And while we're walking, we're all going along the football stadiums. We have the park. This is the water park and the roller coaster park in one place. That's it. I'm getting closer. Confluence Mile High. It's too loud in here. I'm just showing you what's going on. There you go. They have the Monster Jam today, so it's so busy.
Stadium gates open at 5 p.m. and the event is scheduled to start at 7 p.m.
The last quarterback who won the other ring in Broncos Stadium is Peyton Manning at 2016. Okay. Thank you very much for watching To Travel and Taste. If you like this video, please don't forget to put your likes, comments. If you're new in this channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Okay, Colorado, hot spring.